Take this little cover off. You can use a small blade screwdriver. Pop that off, or a trim tool. Now I'm going to use a T20 socket. We're going to loosen up the screw right here. As you loosen it, you want to grab this cover on the outside. The screw's not going to come out. You just have to loosen it. And you'll notice once the cover will slide out, just like that. At this point, the bracket inside there is in the way of the handle doing anything. It won't pull out. What we need to do is take the T20 socket and tighten that bolt. And that's going to move the bracket out of the way of the handle. Just till it's just starting to get tight. That should be good. Then you can see the handle moves like that. Then just grab the handle and you're going to forcefully pull it outward. And it pops right out. If you look inside there, you can see a small lever. You want to take a piece of string or even dental floss and get behind it. You're going to need to pull that forward just like that, so that when we put the new handle in, we're going to pull it forward, put the handle in, and then we can pull the string out. So do that. Get that behind there. Pull it forward like that and just hold it. Take the handle. We're going to slide this end in first, just like that. Then push it all the way in, then slide it towards the car. We can pull the string out. You can see it works like that. Now we have to go back in and tighten that screw again, or loosen that screw on the side, and then the bracket's going to move out of the way. Now we're going to swap this cover. Just take a small screwdriver, get under this little tab right here, and there's a couple clips on the side. And that slides off. Take the new cover, line it up. You just want to lock it down the same way it was. That's clipped in all the way around. Now we can reinstall it in the vehicle. Might have to loosen the screw a little more. Yep, so that's all the way down. And now we can tighten the screw. And just snug, not too tight. Now take my cap and push it back in, and you're all set.